To connect using your web browser, simply go to our website. On the menu, select the Cloud Software drop-down. Then select Browser Login. This page contains text instructions on connecting and a warning that you will need an active paid subscription. Click the blue Web Login button to log in. A new page will load where you will need to enter your unique username sent to you after you purchased. Enter your username and click Next. Now type your password and click Sign In and you will be connected to My Cognitech Cloud using your web browser. Warning: do not use this forgot password to reset your password. If you need to change your password, please visit our website. Go to the Cloud Overview page. Click the red Forgot Password button. Here you can send an email password reset link to your account email. Enter your email and click Send. If you just want to change your password, click Password Reset tab at the top. Enter in all the fields and click Send to change your password. In the next section you will see how to upload files to My Cognitech Cloud when using a web browser. First, let's upload a file from your local computer. Click the Open File button. As you can see, we don't have any files to work with yet. Click the My Files button on the top of the screen. Click the Temporary Files folder. This panel is how you control uploading and downloading files securely on My Cognitech Cloud. Click Upload Files. Browse your local computer for the file you want to upload. Select it and click Open. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Our file is now uploaded to My Cognitech Cloud. Close My Files by clicking the small X on the top right of the panel. Now Investigator can see our file. Click on the file to select it. If you want, you can preview the file before opening it by checking the preview box. Now click Open. Now we can apply various filters or enhancements to our file. In the next section you will see how to download your files to your local computer when using a web browser. We've gone ahead and processed this image, now let's save it and download it back to our local computer. Click Save File. By default Investigator will save to the work folder, but we are already done processing. Save it instead to the Temporary Files folder. You can save the file in many different file types. However, because this is an image that we want to present or share, let's save it as a JPEG. Name the file and click Save. Now it's time to download the file back to our local computer. Click the My Files button. Click on Temporary Files. To download our file, click on the down arrow on the right and select Download. The file will be downloaded using your normal web browser's file download system. We are using Chrome in this example, so it appears at the bottom of the screen. Here is our file on our local computer. Now that you've learned how to connect and use a web browser, check out interactive tutorials from our website which provide a hands-on approach to learning how to use Cognitech software. For full operational instructions, please refer to our online manual by clicking Help in the software menu. Note: users of Cognitech software are assumed to have a prior knowledge of working with digital images. All done. You now can connect to My Cognitech Cloud. Thank you, and contact us if you have any questions about using My Cognitech Cloud or Cognitech software.